Hello everyone, my name is KenBroTech and welcome to KenBroTech. In this series of videos, we are going to build a fully functional website using Django. Now we are going to build an inventory management system. So here we have the application. First of all, let me log out and log in. So I'll log in as an admin, and this is my password. So if I log in as an admin, I am directed onto the main dashboard and I have the number of staff that are registered onto this application. This can be customers or anything of that sort. Then we also have products. Then finally we have orders. So normally the staff are going to make orders as far as these products are concerned. And at the very beginning we have this beautiful interface displaying over here. Now in building this interface alone, I have a video. I'll link it in the description below on how to design the interface, and I've already published that, so that video is already there. And so we are not going to pay too much attention to the design. We are only going to look at the Django implementation, how we are going to build our API. So this is how the projects or the program works. Now we have products, so an admin can add products onto the web application. So for instance, an administrator can add an exercise book, and the quantity of the exercise book is, let's say, 190, and the category we have built over here, we have stationery. So clearly we don't have exercise book listed over here. Now when I click on add, you can see that we have a flash message over here says exercise book has been added. And now we have exercise book with a category of stationery and the quantity of 190 as we specified over here. Now when I refresh, you can see that the flash message disappears. So this is the first functionality, and we can actually also delete an item. So when I click on delete and press confirm, you can see that this has been deleted. I can also delete coffee, cappuccino as far as food is concerned. We can also edit, and we can edit some few things over here. But now let me come back over here and show you some few things. So we have the staff that have been registered, and like I said, this can be a customer, so there's some kind of relationship as far as this application and an e-commerce website, for instance, is concerned. And later I'm going to build an e-commerce website which I'm going to upload very soon. So these are the customers that are registered onto the application, and we can view the details over here, and each customer has some profile information with an image. And as far as the admin is concerned, the admin cannot change any data over here. I don't think it's proper for the admin to be changing the email or the phone number or the address of a customer when the customer actually registered. So these are some of the few things you'll be looking at. Then these are the orders. So as far as the products are concerned, there are some orders that have been made by the staff. But then as an administrator, the administrator can come in here and come and edit his or her profile. So instead of admin, I can say admin 1. So when I do admin 1 and change the number to, let me add some few things over here, and when I click on update, you can see that now we have admin 1 and the number has also changed. Now when we log out and we log in again, we now need to log in as admin 1 because we have changed that username over there. And now when I log in, we have this working over here. Let me go back and edit it to admin. So I'll click on update and I'm good to go. Now once again, let me log out, and this time around I'm going to log in as a user. So in my system I have a user by name Ken, and I'm going to type the password over here. So when I log in, clearly you can see that we have a different interface altogether as far as a staff is concerned. So as you may have it, a staff shouldn't be able to go and add products onto the database. It is not proper. A staff on this application is not going to have access to the main dashboard that we saw over there. But then what we can do for a staff is a staff can come here and edit his or her profile. So I'll click on this, and if I want to change the image, this is the image. I'm using my KBT logo over here. I can change the image and click on choose, and let me choose this image over here. So when I click on updates, now we have this image displaying over here, and that's what Ken wants to use. Now when Ken click on his dashboard, he can only make an order, okay, or he can make a request. So over here, and these are the items that are in there. So for instance, Ken can make a request for ball pen. So right at the back of this, Ken does not have anything associated with ball pen over here, because these are the records of the request Ken has made. And the quantity, I'm going to type in 2. So if I click on make requests, we can see that ball pen has been added to the order records of Ken. And bear in mind, Ken made this order of ball pen. Now when I log out and I come back to log in as admin, and if you have to go to orders, we can see that a ball pen marker of quantity 2, and this was ordered by Ken. So clearly this website entails a lot as far as functionality is concerned, but then I'm going to break it down and start from the very beginning. We are going to look at most of the things you need in building a real world application. Now if you find this tutorial very interesting, there are a couple of ways you can help me grow my channel. Kindly subscribe to KenBroTech, and don't forget to hit on the notification button so that whenever I release a video, you'll be duly notified. Also, share this video with friends and family who find this content very useful. At KenBroTech, we say learn programming, you can do it. Also, don't forget to pass in a comment or asking any question you deem necessary, or seek clarification to any question that you want. Thank you very much. Bye bye.